22nd shloka of Shri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram. Amritya sarvadriksimha sandata sandhiman stiraha ajo durmarshana shasta vishrutatma surariha. Meaning of the shloka. Amritya, he who does not have death. Sarvadrik, he who sees everything. Simha, he who troubles sinners. Sandhata, he who has a lot of devotees. Sandhiman, he who has a lot of experience. Sthira, he who is permanent. Ajo, he who is inside everything. Durmarshana, he whom enemies cannot defeat. Shasta, he who orders and makes others obey. Vishrutatma, he who is the ultimate soul. Surariha, he who destroys the enemies of Devas. This was the meaning of the 22nd shloka of Shri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram.